All right, folks, welcome to Red Pill Markets. We're looking at the market close for March the 3rd, 2020. S&P 500, Dow, NASDAQ all down 3%. Small caps are down about 1.5%. So that's a good sign for us. Oil wasn't down too far. However, financials were down about 3.5, almost 4%, I think. What happened in the markets today? Markets were slightly lower. The Fed made an emergency cut to the interest rate of 0.50. Markets were not expecting it this soon because the markets were expecting a 0.25% cut in the next couple of weeks. But the market is still expecting a 0.25% cut within the next month. So that'll be two cuts that the Fed is going to make, even though they said they weren't going to make any cuts this year. So then the markets got a little spooked. Tomorrow, I am anticipating the markets to be up at least 1.5%. With that being said, we moved over to 100% 2060 target date. That way, if the markets decide to fall again, we don't take the whole beating, but it's more than a 50% chance they're going to be up at least 1.5% tomorrow. Let me show you where we need to start getting to in the next week worth of trading. If we don't get there in the next week, we're going to be this level or lower for about a month or so. Okay, we'll look at a QQQ or NASDAQ. NASDAQ or QQQ needs to get above 214. It needs to be above that 214 level. I'm sorry. NASDAQ needs to be above 218, preferably above 220 area, sometime in the next week. If it doesn't get there in the next week, we're going to be down here for a while. So QQQ needs to be above 218, 220 area in the next week, or we're going to be down here probably 3 or 4 weeks. We'll be at this level or lower. So that's what we're looking out for.